Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This video is a quick review of the Revell Boeing 747-200 in 1/450th scale. This is a model I built some time ago and unfortunately didn't manage to make a time-lapse video of the build. But here's the finished results. As you can see, this is quite a small model and the detail is quite rudimentary. The jet engines are effectively one-piece molded plastic and you can't see any detail inside. They just have a representation of the internal part painted on the outside. Additionally, the same with all the windows and parts like that. That is one decal which is stretched down the side of the aircraft. Generally, it's not a difficult model to build, but you need to make sure if you're going to have the wheels down that you put some weight in the nose to prevent it from tipping over. This model is finished in the blue KLM Airlines livery, which wasn't too difficult to apply. If you're into civilian passenger aircraft, this is definitely something I would recommend, and it retails for about £5 in the United Kingdom. If you're not completely comfortable with decals though, this might be one to avoid due to the large size of some of the decals required for this model. Let me know what you think of my finished model in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe so you can find out when my next video goes live. See you all again next time.